My name is Cameron Kerr. I'm the District Sales Manager for the Gulf Coast region, and we are at FS Solutions in Porte, Texas for Customer Appreciation Day. I really enjoy the Gulf Coast region because we get to work with people from all different walks of life, different industries like the oil and gas industry, and as well as like the petrochemical industry. We are looking forward to demoing our brand new 5200 Quintuplex pump and the new high flow Rotomag, as well as our new drill jet nozzles, the 4-inch J-Force, all on Peinemann automation. I'm really excited for all of our customers to come by, get to see all of our new equipment, and get to meet all of the people that they work with over the phone and here at the FS Solutions LaPorte Rental Center. Really excited for Customer Appreciation Day because I want to show our customers how much their business means to us in a fun, relaxed environment.